Hello everyone, I am Noor. In this tutorial, I will show you how can enable Google Chrome dark modes. Since people discover a love for dark tones, whether that is because of a simple preference for a less bright assistances or because of the fact dark hues are easier on the eyes. Dark modes have been spinning through the software world. So today we will show how can enable dark modes from the Google browsers. Google this feature is very wonderful for us. So today we will show how can enable dark modes. This is the very easy and our eye is very safety for dark modes. So today we will show how can enable the dark modes. That's why we open the Google Chrome. You can see this is the light mode, but Google launched the dark modes. So today we will show how can enable these dark modes. That's why we need to click on tab and write in there is Chrome flags in there. You can write in there or you can copy and paste in there just Chrome flags, okay, and press enter. Okay, after that you get this feature and write in there dark modes, dark modes, dark mode. You can write in there and you get the force dark modes for web content and web platform content dark modes. Okay, you can allow both and you can allow on. I am allow force dark modes to web content. That's what I'm just click is enable. Okay, and click on relaunch. Okay, your browser is stopped and again in this is a reload. You can see this dark modes already allow, and this channel I'll click and you can get the dark modes. Friends, you can see our browser is already show the dark modes. This is the looking so much beautiful and nice. So hope you can also can be allow the dark modes for your browser. Dark modes actually all of the people are requirement. So Google fulfill our requirement. That's what I want to say. Thanks. You also can be use this dark mode.